2018, after my junior year of college, and at the spry age of 21, I left the United States for the first time in my life. I went to walk the Camino de Santiago, a pilgrimage in northern Spain. During the pilgrimage, I walked more than 500 miles and met people from all over the world. But I also experienced my first castle, and by extension, my first visceral taste of world history and the world beyond the borders of the United States. On June 4th, I woke up for an easy day in the Camino. Coming up to Ponferrada, I had heard pilgrims share murmurs of the castle, and I set my sights on this wondrous place known as El Castillo de los Templarios, or Castle of the Templars. I jumped out of my bunk bed that day, packed up, and hiked up Ponferrada's hill with more conviction and zeal than even the mightiest Templars. I paid and entered the landmark of European consequence. The inside glowed with a weathered age and history I never imagined. I never thought that I would be this excited as I traversed every tower, field, and wall and steep stairway that I could. I decided I needed to capture my wonder on camera. Every moment in this castle felt as I looked in this photo, and I just couldn't believe something this old was built to wait for or could even exist. Places like this don't exist in North America, and dramatic crusades were never fought in this way on American soil. Instead, they were all relegated to stale textbooks, and as a result, my wanderlust for history reflected that. But no longer. This moment, this day, changed me as I turned every corner and saw every little speck of dust as something ancient and old. I'll never say that I'm content only traversing or traveling in North America. There are so many experiences and places beyond our borders, and we cannot be naive in thinking that we have it all. It's a novel idea for Americans, I know. But truly, treasures of joy and wonder and love exist in the strangest places, and we just have to look. And as the Prophet Muhammad once said, don't just tell me what you know, tell me where you've been.